Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Porsche Panamera Hood, updated. Start by pulling the interior hood release lever in the driver footwell, then walk to the front to feel for the secondary safety catch. Release that catch while lifting the hood gently. If you have a prop rod, place it in its slot. If equipped with gas struts, let them hold the hood. Always double-check stability before reaching under the hood. When you pull the lever, listen for a distinct pop that tells you the latch released. Walk to the front and slide your hand under the hood to find the small lever or tab for the secondary latch. Push the latch aside while lifting the hood slowly to clear the catch. Secure the hood with the prop rod or verify the gas struts are holding it before you work on anything. Keep safety front and center when opening the hood of your Porsche Panamera. Engage the parking brake so the car won't roll and avoid opening the hood immediately after heavy driving to prevent burns. Wear gloves to protect from sharp edges and hot parts, and use a flashlight to see the latch clearly if lighting is poor. If something feels stuck, don't force it. Inspect carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.